Firstly, we need to prepare all of the ingredients we need to use. There we have the oil, the vegetable, the seasonings, the green peas, and of course, the meat. We need to wash the green peas. And there you have it. And next, we need to slice or chop the onion. There, then we're going to set it aside. The next, we're going to mince the garlic. Then we're going to have a teaspoon of salt. Then pepper. Then next, we're going to peel the carrots. So for today's recipe, we're going to use 2 carrots. Of the carrots, we're going to chop it into a bite size. chopping the carrots, we're going to get a bowl of water and we're going to place the carrots on it. Next is the bell pepper. So first I remove the first before I cut it into half. So I use a spoon to remove easily the seeds inside. Then, I'm going to cut it into a small cubes. I also put some oil into a small container, therefore I can control my desired amount. Then I proceed to peeling off the potatoes. After peeling off the potatoes, I also chop it into a bite size like I used to cut the carrots. Also place the potatoes into the water with the carrots. So this is the final mise en place of this recipe. So we have the achurete, the pepper, the onions, the salt, the garlic, the green peas, the bell pepper, and the oil, of course our vegetables and the meat. So now let's proceed to the procedure of this recipe. So first I put the oil into the pan, followed by the garlic and the onions. Then next we're going to put the meat. Then we're going to saute it for about a minute until the meat becomes brown in color. While waiting for the meat, we're going to put some hot water into the achuete. Then we're going to mix it thoroughly. Now we're going to put the salt, then we're going to put the achuete mixture. Then we're going to mix it. After the meat absorbs the achuete mixture, we're going to put the vegetables. And then we're going to give the nice mix and simmer for about a minute. When the meat is cooked as well as the vegetables, we can now put the green peas as well as the bell pepper. And we're going to put some pepper to taste. And mix it well. After mixing all together, our afritada is ready to serve.